Hey Insulators, I'm here with Ricky Gollwitzer. He has been a longtime customer, probably a decade, hasn't it been a decade?
It's been a while.
Yeah, and one of the things about Ricky, he's always maintaining. We're happy to provide all the parts for him. What kinds of parts have you recently gotten from us?
I've replaced just about every part on those machines.
Yeah. Now, how do you find the cool machine as far as maintenance is concerned? Is it?
Oh, it's simple.
It
It's probably the most simple machine out there. Parts are, readily available from Barry here. Gets them to me overnight most of the time, and they go in pretty easy.
Sure. Well, appreciate you being a longtime customer, and he's got CM2400s he works on, 1500s all the time. So, yeah, he's out here in Rochester, New York. Good to have you as a customer, Ricky.
Yeah, good to have you on my side.
Thank you.